Hello friends, in this tutorial we continue from where we left off. That was the welcome page. So from the welcome page, let's add an image view. We had that image view there. So to add an image view, go to your menu, then click on image, then here click on the plus, add image, pick your image and give it a name and save. So our image gets added to our project. Let's go back and add it there. Select image. Okay, so there we go. We're almost good to go. Now we need to add an intent. Remember, we use intents to transition between activities. Then we can also get a shared preference there. Let's name this shared preference transfer. Add it. So when a user clicks the button, which is button 1, for continuing, what will happen is we are going to set a shared preference. So we use the shared preference as a control method. If the shared preference is empty, it means the user hasn't been through the welcome screen and they should come to the welcome screen. So to do this, let's add logic on our button on click method. So when the button is clicked, let's set a shared preference transfer done. Let's put the key as done, then true as the value of that key. Then we need to go to our login activity. Choose your intent, go, and let's create a login activity. Remove the toolbar, quickly create the login activity, add it. Then we go back to on button click. We want to go to the login activity on button click. So select login activity. We're done with the logic on button on click. Master the shared preference. The name is transfer. I don't know the name you're going to give yours. Then go to main activity. Here we're going to add the same shared preference. Transfer. So what I want to happen is, if main activity, remember the main activity is our first activity. Here we're going to use a control block if else. So we're going to check if our transfer shared preference with key done is equals to true. If it is equals to true, it means the user had gone through the welcome activity and they clicked the continue button. So here let's add our shared preference, then transfer and done. So we check if done is equals to true. If done is equals to true, we need to skip the welcome activity and go straight to login activity. Otherwise, if transfer key done is equals to anything else, we go to the welcome activity. It means the user hasn't pressed the continue button. So there you go. I hope you're able to understand what we are doing. Let's run this and see what we get. So install the app. So open your app. Our splash screen is there. Then we go to welcome. So here on welcome activity, if I hit the continue button, it will set the shared preference. Transfer with key done to true. So this means we have gone through the welcome activity, and when it checks on create, it finds that key, it will skip the welcome screen and go to our login activity. So we have gone to our login activity. It's still blank. It's what we'll be working on in the next tutorial. So let's close the app and open it again. This time it should open but not go to welcome screen. There we go. So we have gone directly to login activity.